we love food. In the kitchen, we are fire. Na cozinha, somos fogo, junto com o canal PJ Pepper, o canal mais ardido do YouTube. We love food. In the kitchen, we are fire.
All the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, really delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Good evening, we love food world with Ricardo Nunes and Antonio Septimo.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We love food world with Ricardo Nunes from Madeira, Antonio Septimo from Philippines. Guys, in the kitchen, kami ay mga apoy. So thank you so much guys. Tonight I'm gonna cook vegetarian cauliflowers with tomato and chickpeas, so hopefully you're gonna be love it. So the recipe is around here. I have chickpeas. I'm already cut it, washed, cut it by
cauliflower.
Yeah, red onion and tomato. Of course, I have chickpeas, salt, olive oil, pepper, and paprika. So, well, I'm gonna put chili powder as well. Okay, guys. And then after that, I'm gonna roast this. Okay, the cauliflower is here. And then I'm gonna put the as well the garlic. And then the onion. Done. Cut into small. Yeah, and then small pieces like this. Should be alright. Like that. Like this. And then done. So guys, just spread around. And this. Like that. Okay. And we have tomato. I'm gonna cut 4 guys, yeah? Take the thing,
Root.
the root, and cut the tomato by small pieces, like this. The tomato is alright. It's good. Look at this. And then after that, I'm gonna roast. Yeah. And then when the cauliflower is cooked in tomato, I'm gonna mix the chickpeas as well. So the chickpeas is the end. Look at this. Really good.
So vegetarian dish, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, and then I'm gonna mix it, everything to be combined. The ingredient. We love food world. We've been busy. Always busy, guys. So now the paprika. Yeah, just 1 teaspoon, and I'm gonna mix that. And olive oil. Look at this, yummy, yeah. Salt and pepper. Very nice and delicious recipe again. Okay, and pig for a salt. So, my hand, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay? Alright, I can mix together. It's alright. Look at that. And later, guys, I'm gonna put a bit spicy chili. This one. So mix together and all done. Make sure the paprika is everything spread. Okay. Look at that. Okay, guys. So now wash again. Really easy. And this later. So I'm gonna put now in the oven, guys. This is about 20 to 5 minutes. So look at this. See you in a bit. The oven is really hot. Hi guys, look at this. I'm gonna put the spicy one, yeah? And the chickpeas as well. So then I'm gonna put it back in the oven. I put it back in the oven, mix together first. Look at this. It's about 5 minutes, gonna be ready. Okay guys, so a bit more. It should be ready soon. Ready, gonna be ready now. Hi guys. My vegetarian cauliflower is done. Look at that.
It looks delicious.
Look delicious. Shall I try now? Okay. Ricardo, he doesn't like vegetarian.
I'm a meat eater.
Right.
It's good
But,
vegetarian food for the people who love vegetarian food.
I can eat anything, guys. So, okay, I'm gonna try this. Look at that chickpeas, but it's quite hot, very hot. Nice. Perfect. The tomato, a bit spicy, but it's alright. Yum yum. Good for you guys. To all people vegetarian, this is the best for you. Thank you for your
A lot
watching.
of protein, chickpeas.
Protein, yeah. Thank you for your watching, guys. Hopefully you like my vegetarian cauliflower. And really nice. I love it. So, see you next time in the kitchen. Ako ay apoy. We love food works. God bless. Mwah.
Please
Bye.
subscribe.
Please subscribe. We love food world and like. Thumbs up, guys. Salute.
We love food world. In the kitchen, we are Fire! Na cozinha somos fogo, junto com o canal PJ Pepper, o canal mais ardido do YouTube. We love food. In the kitchen, we are fire!
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.